Guys, if you didn't know, this is my old account, by the way, and I'm doing this video just for you. That's the replay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and of course, we are going to be and that's the account I made like 2 years ago. Yeah, I was playing versus this person and did this knife trick shot, which could impress you a lot. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my trick shots in all accounts.